Okay, I need to get through here. What the fuck is that? I mean, if you're going to go through that point of transporting something, it just means you're going to need a truck, honestly. Rent one's cheap. Or something? Borrow this spot because, you know, I kind of fucked up on mine. Sorry, you know, things got to be done. I was like, oh, okay. Because the thing says right, and I kind of thought I missed for this right. No, I just missed for off the freeway right. I was like, oh, perfect. And then next thing I looked down, I was like, oh shit, that was left. Oh, I was about to say, is that my friend right there? What did I do? What? You have enough room behind you? I got in perfectly fine. What you bitching about, bitch? Oh? Dumbass? Hot-headed? Bruh. Girl. These nuts. Bam! That's funny. No, that's an interesting color.
In 1 mile.
Like black on top and blue on the bottom. Huh. Interesting.
I think it's scary that it's gonna make me.
Fuck it. We've done it before. Hook up. Okay.
We can't have you park your bike on the patio.
Oh, okay. Let's do the poo. See? Yeah, we're always all the time. This is the first. Damn, bro. Next one. Okay, so like I wasn't too sure if, you know, those signs right there, I wasn't too sure if those are only pickup orders or what.
No, but you parked all the way over here.
Okay, you want me to park way fucking over there then? Is that what you want? Shut up. Alright. You want to say hi to the camera? Can I have a hug? No. You're so cruel.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna put this in a video. Okay. Why? What happened? Oh, my bad. Okay. Yeah, fun?
Yeah. That was a good movie. I liked it.
It was a really good movie.
Really bad, though.
I know. Oh, yeah, that reminds me.
Well, I'll see you later, then.
Can I have a hug?
No.
Finger touch? Anything?
Do E.T.
Huh?
E.T.
Yeah.
I've actually never seen that movie. I just don't.
You never seen it?
No, I just know the finger thing.
I'm gonna bring a movie for you, okay? So you can watch it. I don't think they have it on Netflix, but okay.
Bye.
Alright, bye, bestie. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm just kidding. No! I want to spend the night. Bye, babe. Okay, good. Now it's time for me to go home. This is hope I make it alive again. 'Cause this time I don't think it's going to be as forgiving.